Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Hagani Jingialang jangki Regional Committee. Nagliang ke Regional Committee ke rilum Jaintia lelam do sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Bak Senyaw Balang Dahar kumu Chairman kat baya ke Regional Committee naga Karbi Anglong lelam do Piyush Hazarika ubolong Menteri Keterangan Information bat Public Relations ke Sarkar Assam kumu Chairman. Uba Senyaw Balang Dahar ulih tu Bak Jingialang kala Shimegarai balik jurip belang iki jaka ke biaya kaja bat benda kenduk ya kinong Shong Jingialang ban sengap ke ke bagidan ban penpau bat dan pynbeit ke nega kam daga jingis ngothuk jengmut lang hapadang ki artili gejela. Ulong bakin IT ru ikakai pot hau nailar shalagi jong ki sarkar jela bakin wat ru ikilat kelenti ban pynbeit ya ki jingya kajaput. Ha kawai pegaliang Piyush Hazarika ulakam badiki kenhun runar ki bapentut ikipat khasi penar ha kajaka kaput hari lum Jaintia bat Karbi Anglong. Bat kini gerunar kemde satya ki bana kejela Assam. Namar bakim don kanu ban persya agi beriau na Meghalaya Henry Kialong Parlok bat don kejingya dai kabe Janbha. Unang Menteri Sarkar ula penpau ke jingdon kam ban pynbeit no ke jingya ka japut hapadang ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam kabala saateng la Slembha bat bane pynbeit no da ke jingya sngothuk jingmut lang. Piyush Hazarika ula penpau ru ke jing sokya ya ke jingya kenat hapadang ki Karbi bat ki penar berula ong ba omdai bandan ke jingya kenat ndrai dei bandan ke jingya dai ke bajan hapadang ki nong Meghalaya bat ki nong Assam.
Today is a first meeting, so at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the members. And we had decided in the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about this second phase of border issues. So in the days to come, so the respective member of the committee board side will start going to the site and the field, and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks.
So who all attended this meeting? Anybody?
Yes, sir is PUC, the chairman Regional Committee from Assam, and I'm the chairman from this side, and all the other members.
What will be your approach while dealing with these difficult areas?
No, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the meaning of it.
Give and take, it is the approach.
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided. So let us go to the field and all the local government.
Amicably.
Yeah, we will listen from them, and everything will be solved amicably from both states.
So when are you going to jointly visit these border areas?
So jointly visit, actually both the chief ministers desire to visit, so we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
Well, the regional committee will see, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month, July, we have to visit
More than 31 villages under Block 1, they have requested the government of Meghalaya to ensure that they are included in the state. So was
no,
this
we didn't mention anything about 30-40 villages, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come to actual figure in the next meeting.
The control area is always a problem.
You see, Block 1 is different and Share Khanduli is different. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main agenda of the thing.
What is the assurance from the Assam that there is no disturbance there?
See, there are no disturbance from Assam. Miscreants disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya, and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us. Yes. That is simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long pending issues. We have long pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time.
Miscreants are from Assam?
No, both miscreants from many sides only. How will you, miscreant is miscreant. Miscreant is miscreant. How will you identify sitting here miscreants? But Assam people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam.